Today we will be discussing drafting effective email. Email writing. How to compose an effective email and how to draft an effective email. For that purpose, let us think, why do we need to be so specific while drafting an email? The requirement is there because nowadays people are more conscious about their e-personality. Their personality is becoming cyber personality, and that e-personality can never be complete without the proper drafting skills. Our writings represent us to the global audience. For that purpose, there is a requirement, and a very complicated electronic world or cyber world, cyber space require again very specific skills, drafting skills. We would like to talk here what makes email writing very pivotal for getting good job, for getting better pay package, for getting better audience, for getting better success and excellence, and all the best for spearheading competitiveness. Good writing skills are mandatory. And here, see, the cyberspace is also getting complicated day by day. For example, local area networking and wide area networkings are there. We are communicating over there since, you can say, decades. And here, metropolitan area networking as well as the new latest concept of personal area networking is there. That is, you can say, changing the very environment of communication. And then future correspondence and the professional correspondence of future coming days will heavily depend on professional world and technical world, how it is going to be, what changes it is going to face, and what phases are yet to come. For this, we cannot behave like luddites. We have to be very, very comfortable in the cyber space. And then, for that purpose, for cyber citizens, they are known as netizens, and there are netiquettes they need to follow, and we as cyber citizens also need to honor, adopt and accept and even follow the netiquettes to make our cyber personality very, very professional and good. There is another word, that is information superhighway. In this competitive era, you cannot survive for longer in the professional domain if you think that my way is the highway. If you believe that only my way is the highway, you will not survive for a long duration, because information superhighway put you under social scanner, and that social scanner will scan your image, your personality, and produce it before the world, to which we are trying to establish our very, very positive image. There I would also like to talk about some golden tips, like drafting your subject line properly, thinking about your reader and you attitude, and then keeping your messages short, simple and intact as per the means, and a few more tips. Furthermore, your tone must be convincing. Writing tone is also While it not only applicable when we talk, tone is also applicable when we write. Our writing also contains some tonic beauty, some tonic feature, and then we need to focus on convincing tone, influential tone, and persuading manner while communicating through or via email. Then there is one more formula that is known as KISS, keep it simple and short. This is very popular in the world of professional and technical correspondence. Later on, I would like to say all these things are required because of the advent of technology and new media. This is, you can say, sophisticating our professional world daily, and because of these things we need to focus our correspondence, and we need to be very, very specific while communicating to the person in the cyber space. Later on, let us discuss a few very small layout features of an effective email. And here, by the time you are going to open the page of Compose on your email ID, and suppose that you are having an email ID on Gmail, I am putting here my own Gmail ID. Here, by the time you are opening this page, such features will appear, such column lines and will appear, rows will appear, and then you need to mention like ABC at the Gmail. For example, I am taking CC. CC stands for, stands for the person to whom you are sending this mail. CC stands for, you can say, the carbon copy you are sending, you wish to send to somebody. Later on, BCC, blind carbon copy. If you wish to send your email in the form of blind carbon copy, if you don't want that data to go to the person whom you are sending your email, rather if you wish to send the mail confidentially to the person for keeping it as a record of the data, then you need to keep the record of the data confidential. Then there is the concept of blind carbon copy. And then suppose that this mail is going to that person. Then from is the center of the message, center of the mail. Then subject line, you should be focusing on. Even mentioning effective subject line can enhance the readability of your email. If you are not mentioning very good subject line, if you are not expert in, your mail may jump to spam or trash of the sender, and he may delete it without reading the same. For that purpose, you are advised to draft your subject line. This is the first point that you must be carrying while drafting your email. Then later on, what address should we accept or adopt? For example, for ladies, earlier we used to write Miss for unmarried woman, Mrs. for married woman, but now you might not be knowing to whom you are sending your email. For that purpose, in order to avoid that intrusion of somebody's private zone, you must not use Miss while you are addressing to a woman. You also should not use Mrs. while addressing to a woman. Better you should use MS, means this is an expression for a married and unmarried woman both, and this will be providing you a safe zone, and It will be keeping you safe, protecting you from irritating a woman that you don't know whether she is married or unmarried. For that purpose, you must look at this address, this Miss, and then Mr. Later on again, our mail should begin with a very formal greeting, and like good morning and the greetings of the day. Very formal way if you are communicating for the first time. Second part is that the mail meets you in good mood and hilarious spirit, or wish that the mail meets you in good spirit, high spirit. Clear? Then in good health also you can use wish that the mail meets you in good health and sound health. Then you should go for compact main body. Maintaining a compact main body of the letter, you must follow the formula of KISS. Keep it simple and short, and that will help you can say, making your mail precise, short, readable, and even influensive, convincing and persuading tone. Later on, you must go for ending your email word complimentary close, expecting positive outcome. Complimentary close must be there, and you must say like looking forward to hearing from you, looking forward to listening from you with a positive note, expecting some positive outcome, and finally with sincere thanks and profound regards, faithfully you. And later on you maintain your digital signature if you have already made, and your designation, position. That should be the end of the email writing. In this way you can be able to make your e-personality as a cyber citizen by following certain good netiquettes. Thank you. Thanks a lot.